The following tutorial is part of a full-length course on setting up a WordPress site with the Customizr theme. If you're interested in setting up a beautiful, mobile responsive site with a slider, social media sharing, video embedding, an email sign-up form, and much more, sign up for my free course below. Hit the link below to register for the course at danielboudreaulive.com. Now let's get to the tutorial. This video is brought to you by GoDaddy.com. Click the Show More button below this video to get access to a free domain and $1 a month hosting from GoDaddy.
Let's create a logo for our website. So from the dashboard here, I'm going to navigate to the front end of the site. So we see our home fitness front page here. And what we're going to do is open up a couple of pages, and we're going to access one tool that if you're using a Macintosh computer, you should have built into your system. So let me show you what we're going to be using. So we're going to need to open this color wheel here, and this is online. You can access this at color.adobe.com, and color is spelled C-O-L-R. So open that, and also open the Pixlr Editor, so that's at pixlr.com, and open these under new tabs in your browser. So you get this on your front page on one page, you've got your color wheel on the other page, and you've got Pixlr here. And you can always move your tabs around like that. Just drag and drop your tabs to move them around. So if you're on the Macintosh, you will need this app. It's called, just go to your inspector up here, your little magnifying glass, and type in color. And you should get this top hit here, digital color meter. So click on that, and it's going to open this app here. And what this does is, wherever your mouse is, it will give you the exact code of that color. And the way to copy paste it is you go Control Shift C. So Control Shift C, and that will copy your color. Now, if you don't have a Macintosh, you can get a very similar tool that plugs into your browser, and it works on Chrome and Firefox, and that is called Colorzilla. So go to colorzilla.com if you're on the PC. If you're running Windows, you can get the same exact thing, and it'll just show up like a button on your browser, and you can click that and just get the same code. So for now, I'll just be explaining it in the way that I'm doing it on the Macintosh. So let's go ahead and create our logo. The first thing we're going to do is go open a new file in Pixlr. So to do that, we're going to create a new image. And we're going to name it Logo Home Fitness. Okay. And the presets, the image size that looks great in the Customizr theme for the logo is 250 width, 250 by 100 height. So that way it's small and it's going to load up really fast. Do we want it transparent? We're going to say transparent. I'll show you what that means later. Okay, here we go. And we're going to, down here we can zoom into 300%. Oh, that didn't really go in here. There we go. 300. You can set this to anything you want. This is just the size we're viewing it at. Now on this side, you're going to see layers. And what you want to do is add a new layer. And just go to this and just go to this paint bucket here, and here this is the color selector, so you're going to select white up here, Make sure it just says F, a bunch of F's, and then you know that's white. So we're not actually going to, the next step is just to paint your layer. So your layer number 1 here should be painted white. Okay, now we're going to go to the text tool, just click on the A here, and we're just going to use this layer to preview what our logo looks like, and we're going to turn it off later so that our logo is transparent. So what we're going to do here is go on, create a new layer, and with this text tool we can type right there, and we're going to type in home, and right now we don't see anything because our color is white. So right now we have to go and pick a complementary color. So what we're going to do is go back to our site. We have it on another tab here, and we're going to get our digital color meter and highlight this, put the cursor over this green color. Now once it's green color, you can let go of your mouse and press Apple or Control Shift C, and you see there it's copied the color. And now we go to our color wheel, and we're gonna paste this into this bar here, and this will give us a really nice color palette to work with. So you paste it in, hit enter, and there you go. We've got really nice colors to work with here. And depending on where you paste it, you can get different color schemes, and you can also move this around, and you get a wider spectrum here. So this is where you can get really creative with colors. So there I've got a nice palette. Here's my original color. There's the hex code. And so the first one, I'm just going to use the same green that's in the site. So I'm going to be using this green here. The home is just going to stay the same color. And I'm going to paste it back into Pixlr by using this color picker. And here down here, I have a bar where I can copy and paste, where I can paste rather the color. So I hit OK, and right now you have you can switch through a bunch of fonts here, and you can preview it right away. So it's really super nice. So I'm gonna pick this one, Avatar, and my font is 46. And if you want to change the font, you just have this slider, and you can change that like that. So I'm gonna hit OK, and then my next word, I'm going to put on a new layer. So I'm just gonna click this button here that says new layer beside the garbage can. I'm still on my text tool, the capital A, and I'm going to type fitness. Here we go, fitness. Okay, and now the color is white. So we're going to change that, and we're going to grab a complementary color from our color wheel. So how about this nice yellow here? And I go Control C. Oops, go back to Pixlr, and I'm going to paste that in right here with the color code. And there. So I've got home fitness, and now I can move these around wherever I want. So just go on this pointer tool here and make sure you're moving the right layer. So you've got, and it says what it is too. If you've got text in it, it'll say fitness, and the home is there. So I can move it around. I can also go back to this text tool. I can type that, and I can change the font size. Let me see. Yeah, it changes right away. So I'll just make that a bit bigger, press OK. Now I go back to my pointer. So just choose a nice alignment for it. Let's see, that's probably pretty good. I think I'm happy with that. So last part here, I'm just going to turn off that layer we had. That's our white that we dropped in with the paint bucket. And now I've got a transparent background. So this background will take on the color of our website. Because or else if you leave the white, you're going to see a white square around this and it won't look too good. So for the last step here, we're going to save our image. And since we want to preserve this transparent background, we have to save it in a specific file type. So most of the images you find online are JPEGs, and that's a very common extension and file type for images. But we need to file it. We need to save it as a PNG. So the PNG file type will preserve this transparent background. If we save it as a JPEG, it's going to put a white background onto it. So just make sure you save it as a PNG. So we're going to go to File, Save, and here you see we almost got caught here. It saved it. It's suggesting to save it as a JPEG. We need to go down and select PNG, and see it says in parentheses transparent full quality. So there, we won't lose any quality, and we've got our transparent background. That's going to save to our home fitness folder on our computer. Right there we've got our title because we've already named it, and it's got the PNG extension after the title here. So just make sure you have a .png after your logo and your logo name, and you'll get this transparent background. So it's going to go to the home fitness image on the computer, and I'm going to hit save. Image is saved. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard here. We're going to go straight to the media library, and we're going to upload that image that we've just created. So from media library, hit add new, and we're going to go to select files. We're in our home fitness images here, and we're going to select logo home fitness. There it is. Hit choose, and there you go. We've got uploaded our logo to our media folder.
Here's a special message for anyone looking to gain an online presence by creating a website, but can't follow a clear path to get established on the web and get results. Hi, my name is Boudreau, and if you want to succeed with WordPress, then you'll probably be interested in what I have to share with you in a second. Many people looking to gain an online presence suffer from the idea that you need to be tech savvy or have coding knowledge to build websites, but nothing could be further from the truth. And if you're a person who wants to create their dream personal or business website, then this is exactly what you're looking for. I'd like to introduce you to my video training course called Customizr, Learn WordPress with the Ultimate Creative Theme. In this course, I'll teach you how to create a fully functional and mobile responsive site with no details left out. I'll almost be holding you by the hand with every step forward. My course makes it simple for you to get your mobile responsive site online with no coding required. You'll be able to leverage the internet to show your product or service while staying in complete control. Work with a theme that runs 100,000 plus websites and has 96% 4.5 to 5-star reviews. You can get help with Customizr's expansive knowledge base and start building your WordPress site with a free theme that rivals any premium theme. What makes this even better? After going through this course, you'll have the confidence to create any website using the Customizr theme, which also means that you won't be stuck feeling like you're putting off getting an online presence that showcases your product or service. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with the Customizr course in less than a week, and it's absolutely free. So again, if you're a person who wants to create their dream personal or business site, understand this. You need a way to quickly get a fully functional mobile responsive site online. Your own unique website is the #1 way to create instant credibility. You'll get access to all the videos of the course in a focused environment, and you won't have to go combing through outdated videos on YouTube and try to piece a website together by yourself. My WordPress Customizr course holds the key to your success with WordPress. Hit the link below to sign up and get instant access to my 100% free course. Take care and see you on the inside.